Hey everyone, today I am excited to introduce you a Sketchflow URL in one solution for high web and app interface design and interactive phototyping. With Sketchflow, you can go from an initial idea or details product to a polished, multiple page project complete with real user journeys and instantly interactive demos in just a few clicks. Unlike many other design tools that focus only on static images or single pages, Sketchflow creates a complete user journey map first, then generate every page your app to website needs, all at once. You have control at each stage with the flexibility to customize, preview, and share your results. Let me walk you through the main ways you can create and shape your project with Sketchflow. With the blueprint approach, you start by describing the project you want to design. This can be as simple as I want to create an online learning platform or as detailed as a full product requirements documents including things like your main purpose, key features, target users and usage. The more information you provide here, the closer the result will match your real needs. Based on your description, Sketchflow first generates a workflow map outline every step and possible journey in your app or website. You can quickly review, add detail, or adjust nodes and paths to make sure the logic and the user flow fix exactly what you want. Once you are happy with the workflow, choose which screens to generate, some or all of them. You can also select a design style either by using or prints customization your own or leaving it all the AI to match a style that fits your project. Website after a one shot movement you will have all your pages create instantly and everything is consist across the whole project. If you already have reference app or website you admire, you can create your project with the snapshots approach. Simply upload one or more screenshots of your reference product along with your project description and Sketchflow will generate your project in a similar type, bringing your inspiration to life with your own content and logic. Once your screens are generated, making changes in a breeze. Sketchflow gives you two types of adjustment design. Use natural language instruction to refine your design global or an specific screens and element. Instantly upload layouts, regenerate images, rewrite text or change styles just by telling the AI what you want. For details, pixel perfect control switch to or advanced editor. Use the layer view to select and organize every element on your page. Adjust layout properties, spacing, colors, type, style, and even borders and shadows with expert accuracy. Change the stack order, hide models, or quickly swap in customized page. With both tools working together, you are always in control, fine tuning as much as little as you need. Once your page and workflow are ready, jump straight into interactive preview mode. Experience your real navigation and user flows, no extra steps or complex writing needed. This is a perfect for maps, founder and terms who want to demonstrate a real clippable app to website before coding even beings. Quickly showcase your vision to in when your design is ready. Easily export it HTML code or in sketch format for further development. Want to work with others? Simply share your project step permissions to allow viewing or editing as needed, so your team or collaboration can jump in anywhere. Let's talk about what makes Sketchflow special compared to other design generation tools like Lovable Development or Ready AI. Other products typically require you to create each page, entering new prompt every time. Real world projects often need 10, 20, or even more screens, which means endless chats and fragment results. With Sketchflow, just provide you information. Once you get a choice, fully generated multiple page project instantly, no more endless conversation, just instant result. Most design generators lack a big picture view. You get isolated design with no logical links between pages. With Sketchflow, you start with a workflow that makes sense of your whole project, helping you see and shape how user will actually experience your product. It's a organization logic and design perfectly. Sketchflow is not stopping here. Coming soon, you will be able to instantly generate production ready code for any device. With a single action, we will generate code for the specific device you want, covering virtual all the developments need to your website apps. One click web publish. Do not know how to code? No problem. Soon I will be able to deploy your project as a live accessible website right from Sketchflow. What you see is what you will get ready for the world in just a one step. For Sketchflow to pixel perfect interactive photo type, Sketchflow gives you the tool to build professional multi-page design faster than ever before, where you are designer, product manager, or a team turn your ideas into reality rapidly, collaboratively, and beautifully. Try Sketchflow today and start building the future of your digital project design. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.